Hello guys, I'm Alvin reporting straight from Daho Overseas Business Center. Today we're going to unbox an entry-level Daho product that can satisfy your basic monitoring needs. Introducing the Daho 5MP and 8MP camera series. This is the Daho entry-level 5MP camera. It offers 2880 by 1620 resolution at 20 frames per second. It also comes with an 8MP version that presents 3840 by 2160 resolution at 15 frames per second. Except for the video output, the main features of these two cameras are basically the same. So for this video, we're going to unbox this 5MP camera over here. So what are we waiting for? Let's get this started. So here's the product box. Let's open it. Inside, you'll see the camera and some accessories. It includes the rules and regulations booklet, the installation guide, QR code of downloadable documents, an RJ45 waterproof connector, and some screws. Now let's take a look at the camera. As you can see, it's neatly wrapped in plastic. The bullet camera itself is compact in size and housed in an all-metal casing, which significantly increases its durability. It is also equipped with built-in mic that allows the users to talk to the person in front of the camera. For dimension, it is 162.1mm in length with a diameter of 70.1mm. It weighs 0.45 kilograms gross and 0.35 kilograms net. Let's talk about image output. Do you know that according to ergonomic research, the field of view of our two eyes is rectangular with length and width ratio of 16:9? This is the reason why more and more TVs and display devices nowadays are designed based on these specifications. The latest Daho 5MP and 8MP cameras offer the same aspect ratio, which is more suitable for common HD displays nowadays. Let's see how it works. As you can see here, compared to the old 5MP camera with 4:3 output ratio, the latest 5MP camera with 16:9 output ratio presents no black edges on the image, and it is not compressed as well. It presents a larger horizontal field of view, allowing it to capture more details in the monitored scene. It also prevents image distortion for a better visual experience. Another noteworthy feature of this bullet camera is its 4K HD resolution. You can see here that the details of the cars are clearly visible in the video, which is very important when searching for targets before, during, or after an event. During daytime, it provides brighter image and richer details of the monitored scene. Even at night, this camera's 4K HD resolution enables capturing of details of targets and provides clear images with less noise. For back-end device, we recommend this model, the NVR 4000-4K S2/L. Overall, the latest Daho 5MP and 8MP cameras are undoubtedly cost-effective choices for surveillance monitoring without compromising video quality. They offer 16:9 aspect ratio with 4K HD resolution, a built-in mic, and all-metal housing, providing good value for your investment. And oh, have I mentioned that the cameras in this series also come in 3 different all-metal housings? In terms of video outputs, these intelligent cameras really speak for themselves. They provide clearer and more accurate images as well as more details of the monitored scene during the day and even at night. Once again, this has been your friendly Daho assistant Alvin, and please click the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification icon to get notified about our latest updates. And also please don't forget to follow our official social media accounts right here. And stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Daho Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.